Hello friends, so is your car showing check engine code P0458? If your car's check engine light is on and you're facing issues with fuel vapor control, then this code could be pointing to a problem with the EVAP purge control circuit. In this video, I'll explain what P0458 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0458 code stands for EVAP Purge Control Valve Circuit Low. Alright, let's dive into the EVAP system. Your car's Evaporative Emission Control, or EVAP system, is designed to prevent those pesky fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Now, the Purge Control Valve plays a crucial role here. It's in charge of directing these vapors right to the engine for burning. So what does a P0458 code mean? Well, it indicates that the Purge Control Valve is receiving lower voltage than expected. This can lead to fuel vapors not being properly managed, which is definitely something we want to avoid. Let's go over some common symptoms of a P0458 code. First off, you might notice the check engine light, or CL, is on. Then, there's a strong fuel smell around the vehicle. You might also experience reduced fuel efficiency, and in some cases, a slight rough idle. Keep an eye out for these signs. So this issue doesn't actually cause immediate damage, but it does increase emissions and over time can lead to fuel vapor leaks. To diagnose P0458, you'll need to locate these important EVAP system components. First, the EVAP Purge Control Valve, also called the Purge solenoid, is usually found near the engine intake manifold. It controls the flow of fuel vapors into the engine. Next, the EVAP vent valve, or vent solenoid, is located near the fuel tank and allows fresh air into the system. You'll also want to check the wiring harness and connectors that run between the purge valve and the ECU. The charcoal canister, which is mounted near the rear of the vehicle, is responsible for storing fuel vapors. And finally, make sure to inspect the EVAP hoses and lines. These connect the system and should be checked for cracks or disconnections. Here's a quick tip. A multimeter can help you check if the purge valve is actually getting the proper voltage. Okay, so let's talk about some of the most common reasons you might see that P0458 code. First up, a faulty EVAP purge control valve. If the solenoid inside fails, it just won't get the proper voltage. Next, there could be a blown fuse or a wiring issue like a broken or corroded wire, and that can lead to low voltage in the circuit. Another possibility is a faulty ECU or a bad ground connection. If the ECU isn't sending the correct signal, the valve just won't function properly. Also, damaged connectors, like if you've got a loose or broken connector at the purge valve, can cause an open circuit. And finally, water or corrosion in the system. Moisture can really mess with those electrical connections, leading to voltage drops. So yeah, these are the most common things to check if you're dealing with a P0458. Alright, so how do you fix a P0458 code? First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm you've actually got the P0458 code. Next, inspect the purge control valve. Look for any dirt, blockages, or signs of damage. Then test the voltage by using a multimeter to measure the power that's going to the valve. After that, check the wiring and connectors. Make sure there aren't any broken, corroded, or loose connections. If you find the purge valve is faulty, go ahead and replace it with a new one. Finally, clear the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the code comes back. The P0458 code usually means there's a voltage issue with your EVAP purge control valve. Fixing this problem can really help improve your fuel efficiency and keep your emission control system working right. Hey, for more car troubleshooting guides, definitely check out these videos next. P0198, which covers engine oil temperature sensor high input, and P0199, all about engine oil temperature sensor intermittent issues. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for tuning in.